What is up, guys? Check it out. We are back. Mostly cloudy today, but there is a little bit of sun in the sky. We just had some drizzle, but I put my hoodie on, and my hoodie makes me invincible to drizzle. There's a notification that Trap My Ride is live. So my hoodie makes me invincible to drizzle, so the drizzle just went away. It didn't even bother. So it's clear now. We're going to shoot the after school special back there, guys. You can see the mini truck. Don't forget, those tickets are in. The shirts should be here soon, so make sure that you get in there to get your tickets and your shirts for the mini truck giveaway. There'll be official video when the shirts are in when I do that, so you guys all have a little more details on how to get in there, how to get them, all that sort of thing. Right now everything's pre-order, but it's the same. When they come, guys, they're going to be shipped. But anyway, we're still working on the Blazer here, and you can see it's kind of out of the shop. But guys, we have inside tore apart. It's actually sitting in the trunk. I'm going to show you guys this. We're going to get flipped around, and I'm going to show you like what all we're doing and like what I got going on here. So I'm going to get this flipped around. Check this out, guys. Man, what a mess, right? Look, the whole dashboard is sitting in here. I got my columns out. This is the piece for the center console. That's the piece for the driver's side over by the door, whatever the hell that's called. Look at this, guys. This stuff is dirty, man. See if I can get this out of here. Look at this. Dirty, dirty, dirty down in here. That's 20 years of dirt and grime. That's dirty like them girls with the fans only pages. So we're definitely going to get that stuff cleaned up. But guys, check this out inside. A lot of work to do in here still. You want to get this dialed in. You can tell I've been working. I got some stuff here on the seat covers, but look at this, all down in here, guys. You see all that? Terrible, terrible mess. Look at this, all this stuff. We're gonna get this vacuumed in here. Hopefully, you guys out at O'Reilly can get the centerpiece. I have it back there, so I can get rid of the 6-disc changer and just have my center console here, like one without the Bose or whatever, and the amps down there. So that'll have to go. But guys, check it out. We have the blank in for where the stereo would be. It's all in, ready to go. This stereo's out. That's ready for the Stang Banger. Justin Hunsberger, check us out, man. If you see me, come get your stereo to get it in the Stang. So we have this played in. My magnetic clip is going to go in here, and that'll hold the tablet right here real nice. But guys, we're going to get it all cleaned up. Check this. Down in here, I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Yeah, down in there, we got the speakers pulled out. Those are all going to get cleaned. Down in here, look at this dash, all this stuff, all this crud, all gotta go. Dirty, dirty, dirty. So we're gonna get this cleaned up, put back together. These speakers that were in the dash haven't been wired into the amp. They were still wired into the stereo. So when we get our new ones in, we're gonna get those wired into the amp and get those going. So they should be real loud in here. I have something new for up here. I have this, guys. I like to watch this when the bass hits and it just vibrates and dances, but I got something really cool. I've ordered on the show a few times, but guys, this is the real intent of why I got it for. It'll be going up here, so you guys get to see that. That'll be real cool. Matches the truck, goes real nice. But look at this console, guys, all down in here. 20 years of dirt and stuff, all gotta go, all gotta be cleaned up. This will look like, you know, new truck when it's all done. We got the back seats cleaned up quite a bit, the floorboards and stuff. I'm gonna go over the windows and the plastic and redo the panels. We're gonna get everything cleaned up and put back together real soon. So yesterday, back here, check this out. We put in a new charge line coming from the front. The other one was just melting that fuse, absolutely destroying that fuse. And guys, I'll probably throw it in the glove box for a while and just pack it around. Tyler says, "What's up, Josh?" Yeah, what's up, guys? Check this out. We'll probably tote that fuse around for a while. So if you catch me out, man, there's that train. If you catch me out and about and you want to see that crazy fuse, how it's all melded, I'll have it in the glove box to be able to show you. But guys, we're all lit up back here. All this stuff, green lights, it's ready to go. I didn't put the subs back in yet. I want to clean it up a little more back here, but I need the space to save this. But guys, we're going to take this inside. We're going to get it into some soap and water and get all this stuff cleaned up. The dash right here, I can't just drop this in like that. The back of these switches, you see, this has got to come out. That's just pull tabs. That pops out real easy. This one screws in, so I have to undo those screws. And then what I'll do is, while I have it apart, I'll pull these vents off, and they'll come out and they'll get cleaned and detailed. Josh Witz, what's up, man? He says Napa Knee Finest, repping my boy Jeremy. What's up, Josh? Yeah, so we're out here. But yeah, these columns that get cleaned up, guys, they had, let's see, it would be this column, the driver's side column. No, that's not right. This is it. They had this column, these pins, they had stuck in the metal in the column and they weren't on the plastic. Well, that's great, guys. The pins are in, but it doesn't hold the plastic where it needs to hold. So we got those back on right. They're not going to come off our plastic. And when they just go back in the truck, that'll hold my column right where it needs to be. They had a bunch of stuff ran up in here, and I think that's why that column was messed up. But guys, those clips just go right in here, and another one down there, and they snap in. But we're going to get all down in there cleaned up too, all across the dash. That vent will probably come out. The one there in the center, we'll get all that cleaned up. But guys, this is rough. I got to get the steering wheel cover off. You see that? Steering wheel cover come off. All this dirt and stuff. 20 some years. I don't think anybody's had it apart to properly clean it. But when it goes back together, guys, you'll be like, damn, this truck is clean, because, well, it'll be clean. Look at this. This is terrible. This is just terrible, terrible, terrible. So now that the weather's here and it's time, guys, all this stuff has got to go out of my truck. I can't have those layers of filth. Makes your truck stink. Makes you, makes it smell bad, guys. So we're not having that. But that's what we're doing. Got the mini truck out here. We took that for a cruise this morning. Went and got the coffee. Did the morning grind in this. Man, I really do enjoy driving this little truck. Guys, whoever wins this is going to have so much fun in this thing. People always point and stare and check it out. It says time for a deep clean. It looks like, hell yeah, Tony, it sure is. But people point and stare and look at this truck so much, guys. If you win this, I promise you, you're going to have a lot of fun. Especially if you take care of it and keep it. This is going to be something that's great for everybody. And we're going to get it cleaned and detailed and stuff. There's still a few little projects for it. Let's see what I got going on in here. Let's see. Yeah, man, this is a fun little truck. It really is. You can see I got some glue gun and stuff back there. Double-sided 3M tape. That's going to take care of that. That looks like Jonathan right there. Journey Gang pulling up. There he is. There he is. Yeah. Oh, he's just driving on by. Ooh. Get in the comments, guys. Tell him, hook his muffler back up. Tell him, hook his muffler back up. Yeah. But the mini truck's running good, driving good, guys. This is so much fun. We have some more projects. Like I want to get, the fog lights aren't really working. So I don't think it's a problem with it. It's just the way they have them wired. So we're going to clean them up, do whatever. If it needs bulbs, we're going to get bulbs fixed. But down here, this bottom piece in the diffuser, you see how it was black and now it's just patched up? He says Tony Morris says clapped out. No, it's not bad at all, man. This thing runs good. It really is. It just needs a little work. That's all. The body's good, just the paint's chipped up. But this thing drives great. It does. So we're gonna get the fog lights going on it. I got some new tires from the back. We're gonna do the drum brakes in the back and get that going. Yeah, whoever wins this truck, I have a lot of fun. They really will. Oh, Journey, not the mini truck. Oh, he says the Journey's trapped out. Damn! You hear that, Jonathan? He says clapped out. Oh, man, he needs to hook his exhaust back up. It makes it seem like that. It's actually a pretty decent truck, but he needs to hook that back up. Tony, it's funny, man. He's busting on you, Jonathan. Oh, man. He's busting on Jonathan. We love Jonathan. I don't know what Jonathan's up to. I think he's going to see a dude. Not to go like see a dude, but he's going to take care of some stuff to go see a guy. I don't think he's doing nothing illegal. He's just handling some business. Man. See, this is what they had up here, guys. In the dash. These kickers. We're going to clean them up a little bit. And I think we're just going to wire them in and see what they do. If they scream, we're going to let them scream till they don't have any voice anymore. And when they do, we'll replace them. But if they do good, then by all means, we'll let them jam. For real. But look at this. This stuff's so bad, guys. Years and years. I don't think they ever took the like rubber insert out of there to ever clean it. And I know this boot was never off around there. Man, lack of detail. But this is the piece I want to check with O'Reilly's about getting. You see how it's got this gaping hole? That's where that 6-disc changer goes. But I'm pretty sure that the ones without the Bose stereos and all that actually have like a console in there. You get to use that space. So I want to utilize that. Look at this. This is deep, but it's only that wide. You can't even get your hand to the bottom of that, guys. And what are you supposed to put in here? Come on. And they put this little flip switch for their amps down there. So I think I may actually utilize that, but I have a different switch. It's longer, it lights up red, it'll look good in there. But guys, look at all this hair and all this nasty. It's just got to be clean. And when it goes back together, it'll be right for sure. And I'll be real happy, real happy with that. Very, very happy with that for sure. I don't know if I like these tail lights, guys. The one kind of gives me a little problem while I'm looking at them back here. The one over here on the driver's side, sometimes the bottom one will go out like it's blown, and then I'll turn the truck off, turn it back on, and it comes back on. So I don't know what the deal is. I'm gonna have to sort that out. But a few little things like that. But hopefully we can get this done before tomorrow. I want to take it up to Middlebury. So hopefully we won't get rained out up there at the Essen House. It is the 2021 Classic Car Cruise-In at the Essen House in Middlebury, Indiana. If you guys search on Facebook, I think really all you have to do is just type in like Classic Car Essen House. It'll come up real easy. But I think like the official name is 2021 Classic Car Cruise-In at the Essen House. So hopefully we'll hit that up. Guys, we were also invited yesterday on Tuesday nights, Portillo's hot dog stand up in Mishawaka. So I think we might be hitting that spot on Tuesdays. You know, we'll go up and hang out, see what it's about, and we'll hit those guys up on Tuesday nights. Thursday nights we'll hit up the Essen House, and then Friday, Saturday, you know, it stays lit. But I think this weekend, instead of having a meet here in town, we might switch it up a little bit. I want to see what Warsaw, Columbia City, Cherubusco, I want to see what that area's got going on. Maybe Plymouth, maybe something over that way. I'm not really sure. I need to get into Facebook, see what kind of car meets groups they got over that way, and see who I can connect with. And you know, if we don't get rained out, maybe they'll have something going on, and we can go up there and hit them up and see what they got going on that way, guys. You know, it may not be crazy, may not be off the hook, but you never know, man. Like, it's something different. So everybody, 3 to 5 inches of rain all weekend. I doubt anything will happen. Man, Tony, why you talk like that to me? Man, I ain't say nothing like that to you. This is fighting words almost. Talking about rain. Shame on you, man. No, I know I heard it's supposed to rain too. I don't know if that's a jet I hear rumbling or thunder, but I don't care. Check it out. I got my hoodie on. We're Invincible to Drizzle. I don't know about rain. I got a big slicker in there. Check this out. This is the fuse, or not the fuse, damn it. The switch for the stereo, you see? That'll cause it to come on. I think we're going to put that in that center console. Hide that away real nice. I mean, there's going to be some rowdy donuts going on if there is a meet. Ha ha ha. I don't know, man. They come out last weekend doing donuts in that big truck, just straight smoking them out here in Napanee. And you know, the rollers, they come out. They was cool, but you know, I ain't gonna say nothing to nobody. It ain't my place, you know. Like, you answer to them. If you're gonna do donuts and do all that, that's cool. That's on them. If they don't like it, they'll let you know. I always like it. But I ain't the boss of nobody, so that don't mean nothing. So that's what I'm out here doing, guys. We got the Equinox. Man, everything still need washed. It got rained on the other day, and if it's calling for rain again, we're not gonna wash that either. So we're just waiting. But you know, if it rains out all weekend, guys, and we can't get out to the spots we want to get out to, I'm telling you, I have hundreds of gigabytes of video that I have stashed from last year. So maybe I'll take some of that time, and instead of being out to the meets, and we'll sort and edit some of those and get some of that stuff posted. There's so much, man. There's Cruising Kindleville in there. There's, like, I could go on forever. Lots and lots of videos. No, you're right. No, we don't want rain. That is correct. But if it does rain, then I have alternative. I save those videos for rainy days, and that's what they're there for. So guys, I'll have some content, something new that you haven't seen, rain or shine. We'll dip into that archive, the repository, and we'll dig out some good content. Definitely so. And it'll be from last year, so you guys will get a little bit of the flashback. So the people who haven't seen the Blazer and the Jag and what we had going on last year, you know, you get a little piece of that. And I'm pretty sure I still have lots of videos from cruising Kendallville. I know I released a mini truck clip, and I was going to bring out some of those, but then guys, I started getting busy. Oh man, there's that damn hole. It gets me every time. I need to fill this in. Look at this. It's like a freaking, look at that. Killing me, guys. I step in that thing all the time. But there's a lot of videos of cruising Kendallville, like all kinds of content. And guys, I think we went over there a few weekends. But you know, I might use some of that time to work on the TikTok too. I'm gonna break their watch so it doesn't TikTok no more. It just ticks and just doesn't talk. Tick, 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 tick. Upload like 1,000 videos in 1 week. That's the plot for TikTok. So that's what we're going to be doing. Like I said, guys, the last I looked, it was June 28th. The place I ordered the t-shirt said that they should be delivered by. I haven't heard anything else from them, so you know, I check the email every day. I check my personal email every day to see if they got a hold of me. There hasn't been any issues. I haven't got any new emails, so as far as I know, they're paid for and on their way. So those will be in soon, guys. Make sure you get in there, get those shirts ordered. Let's give this away. And you know, this will probably be right behind it, guys. So let's get these trucks out of my driveway and let's get them into yours. But that's what it is, guys. That's what we're hanging out doing. I'm gonna see if I can hit the Stang Banger up, see what he's doing. I got a stereo for him, and I'm kind of curious to see how it sounds for him. I think it should do good. But it's another beautiful day out here in my neighborhood. There's Keaton in his Civic. He's got it parked. Man, he's working on it. He got a new amp for those subs, and I'm pretty sure it's pretty hellacious back there for him. So he's definitely liking that, guys. So if you like the Civics, there you go, Civic guys. He's working on it, guys. That's what he's doing. But there's the mini truck. That's what we're doing. I'm about to get out of here and get busy on the Blazer and get that done up. I'd really like to have it done and ready by the weekend. I can't wait to hear it, man. That's what I'm really waiting on. I want to get this thing, really get the power out of it like I should. And I definitely want to hear it and see what it's like. So that video, it'll be coming real soon. So stay tuned, guys. That's what it is. That's what we're doing in the trap today. Keep on trapping. Don't forget to like, share, follow, comment, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one. Keep on trapping.